Welcome to Terra Naturalis. Rose is called the oil of love because its essence opens the heart and mind. Roses, both in the form of rose petals and rose essence, offer various potential benefits. Rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Transform the roses into a rose essence with a simple DIY recipe. Rose essence. Make delightful rose milk with a simple DIY recipe. No preservatives, no artificial color, and no artificial fragrance. Let's get started. Rose petals, crystal sugar, beetroot, lemon, and water. Today I am using this dark pink color paneer rose. If you get this light baby pink paneer rose, it is always better. Nowadays it's tough to get these country paneer rose, but this hybrid paneer rose is available in the market. Paneer rose has a very good aroma and fragrance. The flower petals are edible and are used to flavor food. Remove the petals and wash it with salt added water to remove impurities. Roses are loaded with tons of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It supports body's natural collagen production, which is basically responsible for healthy skin, hair, and nails. After washing, use the filter like this to drain the water. I am using the crystal sugar. You can use white crystal sugar or usual sugar also. Break the crystal sugar like this and grind in the mixer jar. For 2 cups of rose petals, I am adding 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Cook this sugar syrup till you get one string consistency. In the meanwhile, let's grind the rose petals for this essence. I am adding little amount of beetroot for the color. Now strain the paste and get the rose extract. For 2 cups of rose petals, I get 1 cup of rose extract. Let's check the sugar syrup. Almost this is the 1 string consistency. You have to check like this. So our sugar syrup is ready. Now add the rose extract into the sugar syrup and mix well. Add some lemon juice into this and cook for 5 to 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. The delightful rose essence is ready. Enjoy the beautiful color, fragrance, and aroma of the rose petals without adding any chemical, any color, and any fragrance. Just add 2 spoons of this essence and add some milk, chilled or hot. I ensure that you all will love this rose milk. Once give a try and leave your feedback. Stay tuned for the rose water recipe in my upcoming video. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos. Thanks for watching.